Hey, it's Alyssa.
Hello.
And so we're gonna start off by I made slime without using like all this detergent or liquid starch. Yeah, she made this one, but mine's under the bed and I'm too lazy to go get it. But yeah, but I had to tell you how to make it. So pretty much I used toothpaste, and shout out to DIYs with I'm trying to think of the name, but I'll put in the links in the description below. So yeah, pretty much it's slime, but it's made with toothpaste. I'm not gonna show y'all, because I'm too lazy to go grab that toothpaste that's on the bed and go grab the glue that's also on the bed. But that's how it looks while you're making it. That's how it looked for us while we were making it. Yeah, I know, I'm really missing it. We're kids, we take it to bed. So yeah, and I made it onto the day. On the carpet, because it's pretty new. Like, if I were to get every single thing busted around it and spin. But yeah, and so pretty much how we made it was we used toothpaste and glue. You can add sparkles like we did if you want, but don't tell everyone in the world. My sister's over there playing Roblox and she's completely failing. Stop playing. So pretty much we just used glue and toothpaste. That's all. And after it gets a consistency with the thing you're mixing it with, it sort of, you know what I mean, like starts to stick to it, you grab it with your hands and you start doing that to it.
No.
So pretty much you just be quiet. I'm trying to make a video. Older sisters. So pretty much. So yeah. But so that's how you make it. And it's really simple compared to that, like getting cornstarch and putting liquid starch and putting a certain amount and then mixing. Oh, and here's another thing. You have to keep the glue and the toothpaste separate, or else it might get clumpy and watery. See, this is the one my sister made and it's way too watery.
What is
Mine's like almost not watery at all when you throw it on a wall. Let's test it out by throwing it on a wall. Okay, let's see.
And the cat is attracted to it.
Yeah, if you have cats, it's a good cat toy. Look, sweetie. Shh. And honey. Oh, and that's a cat.
I'm on the last
See?
one.
And the cats love it. Come on, sweetie. Yeah, they'll try to pull it and stuff. It's cool. Oh, Fluffy's in here too. Fluffy's smile for the camera. So yeah, pretty much. And that's my sister playing a game. Oh, cool! Oh, cool, you got past the vampire's tongue. But yeah, that's how you make it. But, oh, in my next video, we're going to be playing a video game. And, yeah, and I'm going to need my sister here to loan me it. Yeah, loan me the laptop. Because I play it on my tablet, and that's what I use to film, so bye. See y'all next time.